Well, it was a thrash. It was a thrash. I have this assembled with parts I found from different engines all over the place. I want to change this. I want to put a real truck on it. I got a firebox that's exactly the firebox for the Royal Blue, and I've got this linkage, but I don't have the front truck thingy. I got to figure out what that is. I'm missing this bar. I might try to make a new one. I'm missing a few eyelets. I don't know if I have them or not, but this engine is built, smoke, motor, reverse, and smoke power, and options for sound if I go do to it later, and then I want to change that. And look at those trucks, man. They are really nice. Oh yeah, they're nice. Then I got this. I got the new tender set up. I got the engine wired right, and now I got to finish up the tender tidying and get its harness made, and it will be ready to go. And so that's 2 engines I worked on today. Plus, I just printed my second plastic part. If I can get off, there we go. Second plastic part. This part goes on here, like something like that. I think it goes over here. It goes like that. And that is going to be the framework that holds in the panels that will seal this up and cut down the noise and the heat, maintain good heat and all that good stuff. So I got those 2 parts. Each one took an hour. So in those 2 hours, I had those 2 engines done. And I've been working on some other stuff I'll tell you about later. It was a great day. Plus, I got to drive my car to the grocery store, and I was in manual mode, shifting like a crazy man. It was awesome. Got to run later.